Hey guys, it's Jesse. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about birds. So news, politics, again, yuck. Let's just get into some animal videos and forget all that crap. Anyway, so millions of years ago, there was this small bilateral reptile that was with the dinosaurs, which is a bird, pretty much, or like, it was kind of like a dinosaur-ish, and they still look like dinosaurs because of their feet. Their feet look like dinosaur feet. Anyway, so number 2, their feathers are used for body temperature, to keep and regulate it, and how they try and cool off is by increasing the activity in the their activity, as well as the endurance. Let's see. Mastery of flight is opened an opportunity for adventure and opportunities to study birds, to understand how they fly, and just research about it. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, so number 4 is the major feathers on the bird's diversity. They're from and functions. There's a scientific classifications and geology for birds, only birds, which is really cool. But I'm taking a class in ornithology. Sorry, I've completely blanked. And there's a lot of a lot of classifications for birds, because there's so many different varieties of birds. Anyway, so birds are two-legged bipedal, which means vertebrate animals with backbones, and animal group. It also includes mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and bony fish. Number 6, they are distinguished from their unique modifications by feathers and their outer skin. And then number 7, the last one, is no comparable species exists in other species of vertebrates. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it, and click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a video. Alright guys, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.